How are you?
I am fine.
Okay, what's your good name?
My name is Dhan Bahadur Thakuri,
Okay, where are you from?
Bardia, Nepal.
Okay, how old are you?
42 years.
Okay, are you single or married?
Married.
Okay, do you have kids?
2.
Okay, you have two kids.
Yes.
Okay, why do you want to go to Romania?
Uh, I am money, family supporting.
Okay, to earn money?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any other friends or relatives working in Romania?
No.
Yeah. Do you smoke or drink?
No.
Okay, do you have any medical problem?
No.
Are you mental or medical fit?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready for doing on skill jobs in Romania like factory worker, warehouse worker, white shirting, city cleaning, or other indoor or outdoor works? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Okay, thank you.